Here's a new version of Standing on the Corner, the hit song from Frank Lesser's The Most Happy Fella.
Standing on the corner, watching all the Fords go by. Standing on the corner, giving all the Fords the eye.
Catch me, I'm dazzled by loveliness.
Wow, how long and low could you get? Sure would dress up our ranch in Texas. Real pretty.
Yes, this new Ford Sunliner would dress up any home, anywhere. It's the widest, longest, lowest convertible in its field. And it outsells every other convertible, regardless of price. With one exception.
Hey, look what's coming down the street now.
We could take a whole squad of maneuvers in that.
There's room for a squad of 9 or a squad room full of gear in this new Ford Country Sedan. It's one of 6 Ford station wagons offered this year.
Want to live, soldiers?
Why, sure. It's forward, isn't it? So don't be standing on the corner, watching all the Fords, watching all the Fords. Be the guy who's going by. Well, some guys get all the Fords.